National Security Advisor John Bolton announced today that the Trump administration is tightening restrictions on the travel to Cuba. The new measures will only allow for family visits, stopping the educational visits that had been allowed under the Obama administration. This change could mean the end to cruising to Cuba. Prior to this change, cruise passengers were able to obtain cruise tickets and visas to Cuba as long as they completed a travel certification that certified the reason for their trip to Cuba. So far, no announcement or comment has been released from Royal Caribbean, Carnival, or Norwegian regarding this policy change. If travel via cruise ships will no longer be allowed to Cuba, it's assumed that those itineraries which have already been booked will be changed to a port of call in either the Bahamas or Mexico, and the visa fee will not be charged. We'll keep you up to date on this story as it develops.